how to make no one can see your about on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make no one can see your about on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top. Click on it and then click settings, and here you will find the account and then click privacy, and now just click about and click this one, the last one, nobody, just click on it and click save, click done here in the bottom, and now it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.